Hello, today we are going to do Math Kangaroo 2018. I'm in grade 5 and 6. 5 points examples. Question number 17. Emily wants to write a number into every free small triangle. The sum of the numbers in the two triangles are a common side. Should always be the same. Two numbers are already given. How big is the sum of all the numbers in the figure? Right now, we could just add 2 plus 3. It equals to 5. Right here, we can put 3, 5, 2, 5, 5. 2, 5, 3, 5. 2, 5. 2, 5, 5. 2, 5. So then 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals to 21. So C is the answer. Question number 18. Instead of digits, Hannah's used the letters A, B, C, and D in a quotient. Different letters stand for different digits. Which digit does the letter B stand for? If E was the answer, 6, 6. 6 plus 6 equals to 12. And then right now this would be 22. So it has to be 21. And one-digit numbers cannot add up to that big. So E is not the answer. D. 5 plus 5 equals to 10. If this was 4 plus 5 equals 9, 10. And then this would be 10, 1, 0, 0. And this is supposed to be 0, 2. So no. E is not the answer. C. 4 plus 4, 8. 88. Well, one-digit numbers cannot do that. C is not the answer. B. 2 plus 2, 4. 44. Not really. B is not the answer. A. 0 plus 0, 0. Well, right here, this could be like 6 plus 5, 11, 1. 5 plus 6, 11, 1, 1, 1. A is the answer. Question number 19. 4 ladybirds sit on a different cell of 4 times 4 grid. One is asleep and does not move. On a whistle, the other 3 each move to an adjacent free cell. They can crawl up, down, to the right, or to the left, but are not allowed on any account to move back to the cell that they just have came from. Where could the ladybirds be after the 4th whistle? So this is the first one. Right now the second whistle. This is the ladybird that did not move. This one moved down. This one moved right. This one moved up. Now that after the second whistle, this one moved up. This one moved right. This one did not move. This one moved right. After the third whistle, this one moved right. This still did not move. This moved up. This one moved down. Okay, so E. If E was the answer, then right now this moved right. Yes, it did not come from the right. So this is good. this piece. The ladybug that is asleep moved, so E is not the answer. The ladybird that is asleep did not move. Good. Okay, so this one right here, it could have moved up 2, so this is also not the answer. C. The asleep ladybird did not move. This right here moved right. Okay, good. This moved up. Good. This cannot go twice. C is not the answer. B. Ladybird did not move. This moved up. This moved down. But it just came back from down. It was from down and the up, and now it's back down. B is not the answer. A. This moved up. It did not come from above. Okay, so yeah. And now this went right. It did not come from the right, so it's good. And this, it moved up. It did not come from up, so it's also good. A is the answer. Question number 20. The 5 balls weigh 30 grams, 50 grams, 50 grams, 50 grams, and 80 grams. Which of the balls weigh 30 grams? So right now, this is 80 plus 50. Because 80 plus 50 equals to 130. And then 50 plus 50 plus 30 equals to 130. So right here, this is 50 plus 50 plus 30. So the ball can be either C, E, or B. A and D are not right. So right here, if A, right here, A is up and there's no D. If A was higher and if C was the 31, these two would be 50. This would equals to 10. These two would equal to 100. This would equal to 80. So C, if these two equals to 100 and more than 80, then that would be correct. C is the answer. Question number 21. 3 different digits, A, B, C, and are chosen. The biggest possible 6-digit number is the, where the digit A appears 3 times, the digit B 2 times, and the digit C 1 time. Which representation is definitely not possible with this number? Right here. If A is the biggest, if A is bigger than B, and B is bigger than C, then that would be A, 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 B, B, C. A, B, B, C. That is an option. It is not the answer. And then A is bigger than C. C is bigger than B. It equals to A, C, B, B. A, C, B, B. A, AAACBB is not the answer. If B is larger than A is larger than C, it would equal to B, A, C, BBAAAC, BBAAAC. C is not the answer. If C was larger than A was larger than B, then it will equal to C, A, B, B. CAAABB, not the answer. And right here. As for the A's, there's nothing that is close to that. So D is the answer. It is not possible. Question number 22. The sum of Kathy's age and the age of her mother is 36. The sum of the age of her mother and the age of her grandmother is 81. How old was Kathy's grandmother when Kathy was born? Right here. Kathy and her mother. Her mother and her grandmother. If her mother and her grandmother minus her and her mother, then it would just be her grandmother minus Kathy. That would be how old grandma was when she was just born. It would be 81 minus 36 equals to 5, 4, 45. C is the answer. Question number 23. Nick wants to split the numbers 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. 8, 9, 10 into some groups so that the sum of the numbers in each group is equally big. What is the biggest number of groups you can build this way? So first, the common factor. The common factors are a number that another number can divide. Okay. So then we're going to do so right now 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. It equals to 54. Then we'll do the common factors of 54. 2, 3, 1, 54, 27, 18, 6, and 9. So right now, since there is number 10 in it, So then the group has to be these will be the numbers in addition inside of the groups, so that it has to be larger than 10. So 2, 3, 1, 2, 9, and 6 will be allowed. So right now we're going to try using 18 because it's the smallest number so that we can get larger groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 8 with 6 with 4, it equals to 18. And then 9 with 7 with 3 equals to 18. 10 with 5 and 2 also equals to 18. And this is 3 groups. So B is the answer. Question number 20. Okay, so then question number, the figure shown on the right consists of 1 square part, 8 regular parts. Each part is 8 centimeters wide. Peter assembles all parts to form a long 8 centimeter wide rectangle. How long is this rectangle? So right now, this is 8. This is 8. This is 8. And this is also 8. Right now, we can line these lines up. And now it has become a lot of squares like the middle one. Right here, there is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 8, because one of the line is 8, equals to 40, 4 sides. 40 times 4, 0, 16. And then 160 plus another 40, because of the inside parts, equals to 200 centimeter. And now, D is the answer. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye.